Biko no ndị ba ikene kwa mo no biko ebe o mana na enwere video no wase mo de no ke mo ade no wanye mo na amadozim ihe asị na Evangelist Ebuka Obi kwule okwu mana ono bụ no si na de gano mo ntị no biko ọnna nwoke bụ gọvanọ eziokwu o nwere ihe okwu regarding that video mana achọrọ m tupu play the video kabaro na the video to the end because na there are some things we na ama because ana enwe ha na akpọ I don't want to say the word, but because Kabana don't know the video ni situku na now comment because almost some things here for and some few 20 seconds 1 minute here for you will not really understand what the video is all about. Mana, and you see that's when you have to now sit down and also make your own comment. I can ask in Evangelist Ebuka, but I've not really laid my hand on the video share, but I will definitely do that today. Man, because Negodo Nunke Governor will have to share his own opinion regarding that video. I'm not going to say that. Kabaro, share your comment. But when I get hold of the video, I will make sure I upload it again. What the numbers and the Bible.
Hi everyone. My name is Evangelist Ebuka. You have heard what Evangelist Ebuka Obi said about the prophetess, those women, those prophetess that always mount the pulpits, even when something they come out under their skirts. And a lot of followers, they've asked me, what do I think or what do I have to say? In my usual way, I should have kept quiet because I saw where, or I came to realize that whatever you say in regards to this, a lot of people will say you are supporting Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I'm not supporting him, but all the same, I will stick by the truth. Even the Bible quoted it, that a woman who has prophecy or who has a vision should tell the priest outside the pulpit. The scripture never permitted any woman to mount the pulpit as in charge or as the presiding high priest. Esther in the Bible was so much exalted according to her character, her principle, and many more. She was only honored at the lower top of the pulpit. Her honor came through the palace of the king and not at the altar of God.
That is why any church you go and you notice that a woman is in charge of that church, wrong. No woman have what it takes. No woman have spiritual what it takes. No woman have the dunamis and the socia to be in charge of the sanctuary of God. If I'm communicating. Yes, sir.
The same thing goes, or the same thing is applicable to this wine of a thing. Those ekukes who claims to be wine, who takes you to the river to bait you because you think after baiting you or thereabouts that success, or you will assume the throne of success or prosperity because and as a one you did one thing or the other. That's a very big waste of time. In your village, I want to ask you this question. I believe you've seen where they crown the king. Has it ever happened, or was it found in your history where a woman raised the crown to crown a woman, I mean a man, king in your own land. If it never happened like that before, then you have no need or reasons offering your clothes before one is a wine in the name of success or progress, or at the expense of jesting for success or prosperity. It has never happened before. So since it has never happened in your community before, then why are you being a cheap article at the hands of one so-called Ezenwany or the other? Look at how dirty these people are. Just check out how dirty they are, how unkept they are. This is the same thing when they lay hands on you, or when they perform any ritual or any sacrifice in your behalf. Even in your own house, I know you as a young man, you would always wish your wife to be under you. So why are you being submissive now to a woman who calls herself an Ezenwany or something or thereabouts? It makes no sense or meaning while you undergo this kind of processes at the hands of a woman or thereabouts. These things are as a result of lack of job, lack of respect to culture and whom we are as a people. Being an Igbo man offers you the opportunity for your wife or for a woman under your control or under your roof to be very submissive unto you, not raising her hands above your own head or limit or standard. So on this note, Evangelist Ebuka Obi is right, and I have no regrets saying this. Most times you go to this Ezenwany for this their spiritual work or thereabout, they will not tell you that they are under period for about 4 to 5 days or even 6 days. Even according to the spiritual recommendation, after the menstruation of a woman, she still needs about 5 to 6 days again to stay up, get dried, and at least get prepared before she can eat. I mean, she can cook what the husband will eat. In days of old, the reason why some of you, your forefathers, married 4 or 5 wives was because they don't want to be defiled. When their first or second wife is menstruating, she stays low. She can't even go to the kitchen and prepare a meal for this man to eat. These were the principles of kings, powerful men like Attire of Igala, Oba of Benin, these great people, great prophets, you know. This lane we are all observed. So never you allow anything Ezenwany or this their so-called Obanje of a thing to lay hands on you. It is wrong. My name is Governor Isiagu. Believe it or you take it, one day you will realize the truth. I just decide to bring you this simple truth here. They Shanamites.